This presentation is a comprehensive guide on everything you wanted to know about growing microgreens in your home. We take you from seed selection and growing process, including some tips and tricks on how to harvest, store and use microgreens in your kitchen. Microgreens became popular about 20 years ago. Still, a few may be thinking, what are microgreens? They are tender, immature greens produced from seeds of vegetables and herbs. They shouldn't be confused with sprouts, which do not have leaves. Sprouts also have a much shorter growing cycle of 2 to 7 days, whereas microgreens are usually harvested within 2 weeks of germination, that is, from 6 to 7 cm in height. Microgreens provide a large array of vivid colors, intense flavors, and tender textures. It contains greater amounts of nutrients and health-promoting micronutrients than their mature counterparts. So, they are claimed to be nutritionally beneficial. Now let's see how to grow microgreens. First, dirt-free sand soil have to be taken in well-aerated plates. Seeds of selected greens have to be collected and sown. While selecting seeds, ensure that they are fresh, clean, and have been stored in a dry location out of reach of pests. Also, we have to make sure the stems and leaves are edible because not all fruits and vegetables have edible microgreens. Then place it in balcony where sufficient sunlight and shades are available and cover it by a thin layer of soil. Water it once a day and microgreens can be harvested within 2 weeks after germination. Let's see our microgreens. The 10 selected greens for producing microgreens are onion, red amaranth, green amaranth, beetroot, carrot, cilantro, agadi, fenugreek, mung bean, and red cowpea. First, microgreens of onion. They are delicate, soft, and crunchy with a slightly sweet and pungent flavor, but milder than mature onion. They reach microgreen stage 6 to 7 cm within 6 to 8 days after germination. Then microgreens of red amaranth. It consists of a tender red stem and a pair of purplish and reddish green leaves. They have earthy taste with delicate nature. It grows within 6 to 8 days. Microgreens of green amaranth. It consists of a tender green stem and a pair of green leaves. They have earthy taste and delicate nature. They grow within 7 to 8 days. Microgreens of beetroot. They are sweet and attractive blood red green with a height of 6 to 7 cm, which is attained within 7 to 10 days. They possess a pair of large green cotyledons with splotches of blood red. Microgreens of carrots. It consists of a tender green stem, a pair of green elongated cotyledon, and tiny true leaves. These healthy microgreens reach 6 to 7 cm within 10 to 12 days after germination. Microgreens of cilantro. They are aromatic in nature with a citrusy and grassy flavor. It consists of a tender green stem, a pair of green elongated cotyledon, and tiny true leaves. They are glossy microgreens which grow within 8 to 10 days after germination. Microgreens of agadi. They have unpalatable taste and earthy odor. It consists of a pair of true brittle dark green leaves and light reddish green stem. They attain microgreen stage within 10 to 14 days after germination. Microgreens of fenugreek. They are tiny vegetable green which take 10 to 14 days to grow to the point of harvest. It consists of a pair of true dark green leaves and pale greenish white stem. They have unpalatable taste with earthy odor. Microgreens of mung bean. They are harvested at a height of around 6 to 7 cm, which was attained within 4 days. Typically, they have a pair of true green leaves and pale white green stem which holds the pair of cotyledons that is left after germination. They have earthy taste with delicate nature which helps in easy digestion. Microgreens of red cowpea. They are harvested at 6 to 7 cm height within 4 days after germination. Typically, they have a pair of true green leaves and stem which holds the pair of cotyledons. They have earthy taste and odor. Before growing microgreens, you want to know what vitamins do they have. The vitamin constitution of selected 10 greens are shown here. From the graphs, niacin content is more in onion, carotene content in green amaranth, riboflavin in mung bean, vitamin C in onion, and thiamine content is more in green amaranth. Carbohydrates, proteins, and anti-nutrients present in 10 microgreens are shown here. These are the best ways to store fresh microgreens. The only place you can keep microgreens is in your fridge. They need to be kept cool as this will prevent any mold growing on them. Otherwise, it will affect the taste of your microgreens and can even carry diseases that are harmful to humans. Only put dry microgreens in the refrigerator. To be extra sure, keep microgreens between damp paper towels and make sure they are cold and covered in a resealable bag or container. Wrapped this way, they will last in the fridge for about a week. As a general rule, purchased microgreens typically last 10 to 12 days in your fridge. If you were to grow your own microgreens and cut them at home, they would last about 2 weeks on average. The shelf life can vary, however, depending on the type of microgreens. In brief, microgreens are immature greens of edible vegetables and herbs. They serve as a good nutrient source. Microgreens have low carbohydrates and anti-nutrients. They contain high vitamin contents also. They are recommended as dietary supplement, especially for those who prefer less carbohydrate containing food supplements. They are good and are likely to attract the palate with their crunchy texture, bright color, and tangy taste. Growing microgreens requires less space, money, time, and care. Microgreens are a valuable alternatives for substituting our diet, setting aside the chemically polluted vegetables. Microgreens are mega nutrients with huge benefits. They are a valuable nutritional supplement to human diet. They require very little space, no chemical inputs, perish fast, and contains high vitamins. Points to be remembered before growing microgreens are: use fresh greens for better taste, odor, and pleasant taste. They can be used in salads, fresh juice, sharjah, sandwiches, and sometimes as food decorates. They undergo rapid product deterioration during the course of time. So, these nutrients are packed as microcapsules to increase the shelf life. These are our scientific papers and presentations regarding selected 10 microgreens.